Welcome to MPS Motivators, a unique online teaching and learning platform. I am Janendra Kumar, standing in front of you. Before starting this session, I would like to wish you all a very gracious good morning. So, good morning, friends. In my previous session, I discussed with you about an adverb clause of contrast. In this session, I am going to discuss with you about an adverb clause of proportion. And friends, with this adverb clause of proportion, the types of adverb clauses will be finished today. So let us start. Okay, friends, I have written a few lines on the adverb clause of proportion. An adverb clause which denotes the proportionality in two actions or states is called an adverb clause of proportion. अर्थात एडवर्ब क्लॉज जो दो कार्य या दो स्थितियों में समानुपात को दिखाता है उसे हम लोग एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ प्रोपोर्शन कहते हैं. एंड इन बोथ द पार्ट्स ऑफ द सेंटेंस एन एडजेक्टिव इन द comparative degree is used to denote the proportionality. So friends, it will be clear with a few examples. Let us see the examples. Friends, I have taken a sentence as an example to make you understand what is an adverb clause of proportion in a better way. The higher we go, the cooler it is. We see that in both the parts of the sentence, there is one comparative degree. In either part of the sentence, there is an adjective in comparative degree. So friends, higher and cooler, both are the comparative degrees of the adjectives high and cool. But here we are using it as adverbs. The higher we go, here go is an action. Go denotes an action. So to modify go, we are using higher. So it is not an adjective here, it is an adverb. The cooler it is. जितना ऊंचा हम लोग जाते हैं उतना ही ठंडा होता है, मतलब उतना ही ठंडक हम लोग महसूस करते हैं. द कूलर वी फील, वी कैन ऑल्सो से द हायर वी गो द कूलर वी फील, और द कूलर इट इज. सो फ्रेंड्स, हियर in both the parts of the sentence comparative degrees are used. So both the parts of the sentence are adverb clause of proportion. Friends, I have taken one more example. The more he has, the more he wants. जितना ज़्यादा उसके पास है उतना ही ज़्यादा वह चाहता है. होने और चाहने की प्रोपोर्शनलिटी दिखाई जा रही है यहाँ, दोनों ही एक लेवल में है. जैसे कि किसी के पास 1 करोड़ है और वह चाहता है कि 1 करोड़ और हो जाए. 1 करोड़ रुपया है और वो चाहता है कि 1 करोड़ रुपया और हो जाए. एक गाड़ी है और वो चाहता है कि एक गाड़ी और हो जाए. In such a condition we use an adverb clause of proportion. So here more, here also more, both are denoting the adverb clause of proportion. In the first part of the sentence, the verb is has, and here has denotes the possession of the subject. So here in the definition of adverb clause of proportion, we can also put possession after the states, actions, states. Actually, in some sentences, including adverb clause of proportion, the first part may be denoting possession and the second part may be denoting action. So there may be different types of clauses. Here the adverb clause of proportion denotes the possession of the subject, and in the second part of the sentence the adverb clause of proportion denotes the action of the subject. So sometimes there may be actions only, and sometimes there may be states only in both the parts of the sentence, and sometimes there may be possession in the first part of the sentence and there may be the action in the second part of the sentence, like in the second example. Here also we can see that the higher we go denotes action, but the cooler it is denotes a state. So there may be action and a state in the sentence. In the first part there may be action, and in the second part there may be a state, and in the first part there may be possession, and in the second part there may be action. So this type of expressions may be used together in adverb clause of proportion. Friends, I have taken one more example. The wealthier he is, the wealthier he wants to be. Here the wealthier he is denotes the state, and the wealthier he wants to be denotes action. So friends, with this example on adverb clause of proportion, I am ending this session, and if you like this session, I request you to like it, comment it, and share it to your friends. Also download MPS Motivators by going to Play Store. Thank you to watch my session. Thank you. Have a nice day.